Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will show you how to do my hair. Yeah. Wow. Wow. As you can see, my hair is very straight, so I will use my flat iron to do my hair. So right now I will show you the layers of my hair. So I will divide it in like 3 layers. My hair is actually really simple to do, so all you have to do is make a curl and then go to the middle with your flat iron, and then you basically have the hair. So you do this like in 3 layers and then it will be very cute. Woo! And to be honest, for the back, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I just make like C curls, I think, yeah. So now you're done. Don't forget to turn off the flat iron. And you can style your hair in many different ways. Like I will show you guys. So this is the first hairstyle, like the normal one. And this is the second one. You can make like a gap in your hair. Yeah, I don't know, it's trendy, kinda. For the last hairstyle, you can put your hair up and then you can just spray the hairspray and it will stay like that, so don't forget to spray it. I hope you enjoyed watching this hair tutorial, kinda. Oh my god, what am I doing? Stop! But anyways, thank you for watching and I will see you guys. Bye!